This thing never gets old. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is GadgetBeard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the UAG Urban Armor Gear plasma case for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now you can pick this up on Amazon, $39.95 with Prime shipping. There are two colors available as always. You have the ice and you have the plasma ash. So let's not keep you waiting. Let's take a quick look at the packaging here. Very typical UAG packaging. Approved, drop tested to military grade standards. Designed for Samsung right there, UAG. You can see the phone. On the back you do have a picture of the case and the type of protection it provides you. And built to go further, let's go ahead and open the lid, pop the case out. And the case is on there very snug. Boom. Let's go ahead and put this aside. Taking a quick look at the UAG plasma case. Very, very familiar. You do have UAG right there smack down in the middle in black. I don't think I've seen that before. Has it always have that? Let me know if it's always have that. I don't know if I remember. But you do have this clear and black case here. Very, very stylistic case. I like it. One of my favorite cases. Let's go ahead and pop the Galaxy S20 into the case itself. As you're looking at it, bam, look at that, look at that. Looks very, very, very good. Now we're looking at the back of the phone here. We do have, like I said, that black UAG branding right smack down in the middle of the case. We do have a tremendous amount of lip protection around that camera lens there, so no issues when laying your phone face down on a flat surface. Now let's exit out of there. Looking at the front of the phone, we have lip protection on the top and bottom of the screen there, not around all the edges. Even though this is not a curved display, we do have very minimal lip protection around the edges, but we have tremendous amount of lip protection on top and bottom of the screen, so no problems when laying your phone face down on a flat surface. Now the buttons are 100% covered and very nice and tactile, very responsive. No issues with pressing the buttons. They're not firm at all, very soft to the press, so feels good in hand. Looking at the left side of the phone, we have nothing on the left side of the phone but these grooves for added grip, which I absolutely love. Looking at the top of the phone, we have just a cutout for the mic, and it's nice and precise. Let's move down to the bottom of the phone. We also have the rest of the cutouts nice and precise. You have the speaker, charging port, and mic there, and it looks like you got substantial amount of cutout around the charging port. So if you want to go ahead and use a third-party charging cable, it looks like you can. Now does this wirelessly charge through the case? And I believe it does. Like always, you can wirelessly charge through the case, or you can power share through the case. You're not going to have any issues there. There you have it, guys. $39.94 with Prime shipping, available in two colors, the ash color and the ice color. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these bad boys up. But look at that. Looks very, very good. Bam. Very, very good looking case on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and consider hitting that notification bell so you know when another video like this drops. Thanks for watching again. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.